in the light of day, in the light of day. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। देख रहे हो भाप निकल रही है, कोहरा निकल रहा है सब ज़ीरो टेम्परेचर हो रहा है। कब? मार्च में। टेम्परेचर का कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है, यहाँ पे मौसम का कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा। अच्छा, वीडियो का पर्पस ये है बनाने का कि मैं बता दूँ कि यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंट टेम्परेचर चेंज हो रहा है मौसम में, और माइनस में टेम्परेचर चल रहा है। मार्च के अंदर ही बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको। एंड दिस इज़ दी 7th मार्च, सही है। और आगे पैडी डे आने वाला है, जो कि पैट्रिक्स डे है। यहाँ पे काइंड ऑफ दिवाली कह सकते हो आप, कुछ भी कह लो। बहुत बड़ा फेस्टिवल होता है यहाँ पे। उसके बारे में मैं बताऊँगा कि वो क्यों मनाया जाता है, क्या पर्पस है उसका, क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है, और उस दिन आपको क्या करना चाहिए और किन चीज़ों को अवॉइड करना चाहिए। क्योंकि बहुत भीड़ होती है हर जगह, परेड होती है, सब कुछ होता है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो, और ये इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो रहेगी। और मैं आपको पुराने जो लास्ट ईयर के पैडी डे था, या उससे और लास्ट ईयर का पैडी डे था, उसकी ग्लिम्स भी दिखाऊंगा कि किस तरीके से होता है, जो कैसे परेड होती, क्या होता है, वो सब भी थोड़ा बहुत दिखाऊंगा आपको। तो ये मैं पैडी डे से पहले ही वीडियो डाल दूँगा, पॉसिबली इस वीकेंड तक में मैं डाल दूँगा इस वीडियो को। बनाने का पर्पस यही है कि आपको बताऊं कि उस दिन क्या चीज़ करनी चाहिए और क्या चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए, क्या चीज़ को अवॉइड करना है। ओके, स्पेशली मेरे देसी लोग जो हैं, जो इंडियन है, पाकिस्तानी है, बांग्लादेशी हैं, और भी जो यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं अलग अलग कम्युनिटी के लोग, तो उनको पता होना चाहिए इस फेस्टिवल का सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है, और भीड़ से बचना है या नहीं बचना है, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो, बहुत लंबी हो गया इंट्रोडक्शन। So, this video is all about Saint Patrick's Day, which is celebrated on 17th of March every year. Why this day is celebrated throughout the world, wherever Irish people are living, is because of Saint Patrick's. Actually, he introduced Christianity in Ireland on that day. And because of the celebration of introducing of Christianity, so in the past this day was considered as the holy day, a day to remember the God. Okay, but during the period of time, this celebration, the feast, the party has been evolved during the period of time. Now it's a grand festival throughout the world, celebrated by many of the Christianity community. Apart from the Christianity community, other religion groups as well celebrate this particular day. In the past, in Ireland, on this specific day, there was all restrictions of not selling the alcohol, not consuming the alcohol. Even non-veg also, it was not been sold or purchased because it was considered the holy day. But during the period of time, things got changed, rules got changed. In past also, there was no pubs and bars open on this particular day. Now this festival is hugely celebrated in Ireland and in other countries as well. And there was a huge parade on the road. Apart from the parade, everyone wears green. Why they wear green is people used to wear green color because of getting pinched from leprechauns. Who are leprechauns? Leprechauns are mischievous elves, these small people. I will show you in the in the side screen as well. So they can't see people who are wearing green, or they have have a tendency in which the green is invisible to them. So in just to avoid getting pinched, So people wear green color on St. Patrick's Day, and the mischievous elf, which we call as leprechauns, used to pinch the common people because whosoever don't wear green on that day. So that's the main important significance of wearing green. And like I will be telling you in further video that what you should do on St. Patrick's Day and what you should not do or should avoid doing that on St. Patrick's Day. So do's on St. Patrick's Day. First one, wear green. If you don't wanna get pinched, okay, wear green. It's a green celebration day, so you can purchase any green t-shirt or a hat or something which resembles green color on you, okay. Second thing, if you want to see parade, then be early before time when the crowd. Second, watch the parade, and if you want to do that, avoid in the rush area in the central Dublin, because not only the central Dublin from where the parade will pass, it starts from somewhere, it ends on somewhere. Try to find a place where it will be less crowded and you can see from a better view, okay. And please be on time so that you can be on the first row on the road to see the parade. Or you can change the city if you are staying in Dublin, and if you have problem with crowd, then you can change the city, because different cities have different parades. It's not only in Dublin. You will see the parade in Galway as well, Cork as well, Limerick as well, okay. If you have problem with crowd, then try to choose another city. Third, respect each other. You have to do that because different nationality people will be arriving that day or might have arrived before to attend this particular celebration, this particular festival. So do respect and expect to get respect, okay. Fourth, try to visit church, because at that day this festival is all about Christianity, the introduction of Christianity. So one should really respect that religion and the essence of this festival. One should not forget the essence of this festival and should visit church, because those were the time where all the churches are beautifully decorated. Go and have your prayers, okay, and enjoy the festival. You can have couple of drinks, okay. Now from drinks part, I will move to don'ts of this festival, what you should not do or you should avoid doing that on St. Patrick's Day. First, don't over drink, because Garda, the police persons, were in masses and they were like, or there will be everywhere. So you have to be drinking sensibly. By saying sensibly means you should be in your senses while drinking alcohol, okay. So you should not get yourself into trouble by over drinking, or you should not hurt anyone. If you are not in senses, you might do that, okay. Just be in your senses, don't over drink, okay. Second, don't be late for coming back after the party or after the celebrations, because this day has the most highest criminal activities on St. Patrick's Day. So try not to be late while coming back, or you should be with your group. Okay. Third, do not involve yourself in any kind of street fights, because if you are in senses, there are high chances that other might not be in the senses. That person might be drunk, and it might happen that you might be involving in heated arguments or a fight or anything which can create problem. So just ignore, be in a celebrated mode, be in a celebration mode, enjoy the festival, and avoid, if things might not going your way, just avoid and leave that place immediately. Okay. Another point, don't drink and drive, because laws will be very strict that day. Another point, avoid taking your own personal car or the buses, because in rush hours it will be a huge traffic. So, because everyone will be on roads, even with their cars, even with not with their cars, or in buses, or the people will be everywhere. I will be showing you the like old Paddy Day videos. Like St. Patrick's Day is also called as St. Paddy Day as well. So I will be putting the small clips from the old celebrations as well.
Sweet delight, you are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. Sweet delight, you are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms.
And the last and the most important, I just want to make you remind, many of people don't know this, but this is the first St. Patrick's Day after COVID. Officially they are celebrating this year on 17th of March. So it will be hell lot of crowd, because it's been possibly more than 3 years there was no celebrations of St. Patrick's Day or on 17th of March because of COVID, because of lockdowns. Okay, so this will be like one of the biggest festival after so long. So be very mindful before leaving your home, your house, and be respectful and be safe and be very alert as well, because there will be stealing as well. You have to be very careful with your phones, with your purses, with your belongings. Okay, so be very alert, enjoy the festival, don't just avoid getting into any ruckus, anything. Just enjoy the crowd, enjoy the vibe, enjoy the green color people are wearing, because from all the different parts of the country everyone will be coming here to celebrate this particular festival. And the main important for creating this video is to give you these informations and to pass on the message that this is the huge festival they are celebrating, and there are huge security norms as well in place already. So be very safe and enjoy this festival. Okay, and if you like this video, just subscribe my channel like the tap on like button, put a comment, and if I have missed anything, please do let me know. And hope to see you in another video. Bye. Do like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon. And I will try my best to keep consistent with the content for you guys, to give the knowledgeable things in and around Ireland, the education system. So do share among your friends and family as well. And it's gonna be more videos in coming months. So I will be completing my masters very soon. So let's see. Do like, subscribe, share, and comment, and press the bell icon.